Want to build a colorful animated creative portfolio right inside PowerPoint? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a playful and modern geometric portfolio using yellow and blue with smooth animation and smart layouts. It's fast, it's clean, and best of all, it's look amazing. Let's get started. First, right click on your slide, select Format Background. Under Color, choose a soft pastel blue. This creates a friendly creative vibe. Now, insert two decorative pictures. Once you created or downloaded, place the first picture on the top left of the slide. Go to Align, Align Left, then Align Top. Duplicate it and on the duplicate, align right, align bottom. Then go to Rotate, flip vertical and flip horizontal. Now duplicate the second image and set it symmetrically across the slide for a geometric layout. Insert a text box, type Creative Portfolio. Center the text, increase the font size. Below it, add your name in a smaller size. This is your title slide. Right click, duplicate the slide, update the text to Welcome, and add a short introductory paragraph about your work, style, or passion. Duplicate the slide again, delete everything on this new slide. Add a content title, list out section like About Me, Skills Education, Project Contact, etc. Then insert a rectangle shape, remove its outline, and change its color to yellow. Duplicate again, clear the slide, and type About Me. Then go back to the first slide, copy the decorative picture and paste it here for visual consistency. On the next slide, add a title Personal Skills. List skills like graphic design, website design, photography. On another duplicated slide, add more skills like illustration and typography. On the seventh slide, delete everything. Add a title like education, then list your education years and institution. Next, on the eighth slide, add your work experience with job title and years. Duplicate again, title it project on portfolio and add thumbnail or titles of your work sample. Now, create a contact slide. Include your email, phone number, and any social media handles. On the last slide, Type "Thank you" in large clean font. Select all slides. Go to the Transition tab. Choose Push. Then click on Effect option. Select from right. Go to the first slide. Click on Slide Show. And there it is, your very own playful and animated portfolio design entirely in PowerPoint using just basic tools, shape and transition. Whether you are applying for a job or just showcasing your skills, this design will definitely stand out. Want the editable file? It's linked in the description below. If you like this tutorial, hit like, subscribe and turn on the bell so you can never miss a creative idea. Leave a comment with next color theme you would like to see, maybe coral and navy.